Hi guys, this is Maxwell Hennon up at MarineMax of Rogers. Today I'm showcasing our 2023 230 Grand Mariner pontoon behind me. We've got the slate gray color along with the black accent. Coming up to the front of the boat here, we've got this beautiful fiberglass paneling that extends around the front of the boat. Really makes the boat a showstopper on the water. Got this integrated light bar along with the integrated nav lights and docking lights. Really great color option on this boat. We've obviously got the RGB light strip on the outside, so you can change that while you're on the fly. This has also got the Performance Package 2, which means it adds a 25-inch full-length center pontoon to it, make carving on the water a lot better. On the rear here, we've got our stainless steel rails along with our fender holders. We've got a tow bar and a 300 horsepower Verado Mercury engine. On the starboard side here, we've got a stainless steel 4-step docking ladder to make getting in and out of the boat easy. Follow me inside, we've got a lot more features. All right guys, we're in the cockpit of the Grand Mariner 230. As you can see, I'm relaxing here on the sun pad. The seats that were folded down in the back fold up to form a backrest here. Really comfortable, really nice option. You got the stainless steel gate right here. Make sure nobody goes in the back while the boat is underway. Moving to the middle of the boat here, we've got this black bimini frame and we've got this gray sports arch with the lighting integrated into it. Really nice. Over to the left side here, we've got charging ports right here, right next to the helm seat for the passenger, as well as a wireless charging and a little cubby area there for your wallets and whatnot. All right guys, we're at the helm. First thing I want to point out is this raised helm with the sea deck. It makes it have a really refined look. Coming over to the right side here, we've got a digital throttle and shift control, which basically means we don't have any cables running back to the engine. We've got a electronically actuated throttle and shift control. Basically makes it just butter smooth, shifting forward, reverse, neutral, all through the process. On the right side here, we've got 10 buttons for running your live well pumps, all your lights, and then also we have a electronically actuated tower here that it also runs. On the dash here, we've got two 9-inch Simrad screens. Basically have all of your tow functions up here and also your engine data. Also has chart plotter and a depth gauge. Over to the left side here, we've got our JL audio system. Full JL audio in this boat along with a JL subwoofer right there. Colors on this boat is going to be the stone gray seagrass along with the moonlight gray upholstery and the black onyx accent. Left side here, we've got a changing room that folds up and out so your wife and your kids can change into their swimsuits. We've got the ski locker here with the sea deck on top, really nice. This is where you can throw your skis, your tubes, life jackets. It's got a drain of back so nothing's going to get wet and moldy here. Coming up front, we've got hinged seats on either side with great storage underneath. Really nice. None of these cushions are going to be flying out of the boat down the road. And we've got a USB and USB-C charging ports up front with obviously your speakers and your lighted cup holders. That wraps up the Grand Mariner 230. As always, check it out at our Rogers location. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.